we found the perfect Christmas vacation.
After visiting 42 countries in the past 4 years, this was our favorite Christmas vacation by far.
From cozy treats on snowy nights to reindeer rides and festive sights, we want to show you what this winter wonderland is all about.
So grab a cozy blanket, a cup of hot chocolate, and welcome to Finland. Our journey begins in the capital city of Helsinki, where we need to catch the sleeper train to reach Santa Claus Village in Lapland. Looks like our train's actually getting ready to leave.
Yeah.
Super excited, hope you are too, so let the adventure begin.
Welcome to our first class accommodations. What you see is what you get. It's actually not bad. We've got bunk beds here. There's some storage over there. A little seat if you get bored of laying down.
And a little viewpoint.
Oh yeah.
And we have our little bathroom here, but what's really cool that I've never seen before is if we pull on this latch here, check us out. So the bathroom gets hidden over there and it's a shower. So we have the shower head here,
That's
bathroom's hidden,
interesting.
and then we convert it back. Boom.
Oh yeah. First
Awesome.
class,
I'm so
baby.
glad we have a shower.
Yes. We finally arrived in Lapland and now it's time for Santa Village. All right, first things first, we're going to officially cross the Arctic Circle line. You can see here there's the pole and they're all lined up, so
This side that we are, not the Arctic Circle. That side is the Arctic Circle, so.
okay, we'll jump. 1, 2, 3. Yay!
Yeah.
That's the furthest north we've ever been.
One small leap for travel vloggers, one giant leap for mankind.
We are in Santa's main post office. So if you've ever written and sent a letter to Santa, this is where they received it. And
Yeah, which I didn't know you could do. Like,
Yeah.
We're being serious. Like, actually writing and sending a letter in the mail, it actually getting delivered to this address for
Yes.
Santa himself to read, which
Yes.
is really cool.
very cool. And you can also mail a letter from here. So we're going to
Yeah.
pick up some postcards to send it to our family.
Yeah, so let's go choose the best ones. Oh, look at this one. Reindeer sticking his tongue out. This is fantastic.
Okay, this one's
Santa on the
definitely-
motorcycle. Love it.
Oh, look at this one.
This one's beautiful. Look at
Yes.
that. Look, they took a photo of me when
Yeah.
when I wasn't looking.
And they print it so quickly.
Oh yeah, really good.
Oh my gosh, look at this. All right, we got the finalists picked out. Now let's mail it. These three with the international stamp.
And there's an area here in the back that we can write our message before sending. So Allie's writing hers now to her parents.
All right, we have our postcards ready to mail, and you can actually choose if you want to mail right away or if you want them to hold and only mail during Christmas. So every year they're going to hold for that Christmas year. We chose to write 2 Christmas postcards for our parents and 1 for us to the future. So we're gonna choose this one. Bye. Yay. We're having a traditional Finnish meal, starting with this appetizer platter with different flavors from the north. So we have basically like herring fish, another fish pate, some pickled cucumbers, salmon actually caught by the chef, this unique Finnish bread, and roulette. Looks amazing, super excited to try it.
All right, trying one of the herring, this little fish. Apparently you can eat the whole thing. They cut off the head so it can't look at me. Okay.
Oh my god.
Amazing. Really, really good.
Super curious to try. Salty. It's almost like a meatloaf, but so rich in flavor. So good.
So walking around all day, Allie and I needed a little pick-me-up. So we came here to Mrs. Claus Cafe for some beautiful and hopefully delicious hot chocolate. We also are trying this base, I don't know what the name is. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it, but it's like a Finnish scone, kind of like biscuit. And also it looks beautiful. Oh my gosh. Of course, cinnamon roll right in there, covered in that delicious cream. So let's eat, warm up, because we've got someone very special to meet soon. Perfect. And to help us out, our friend Santa has sent us his team of reindeer. So we got Prancer
And Dancer.
and Dancer back here, helping us get to his office through the Lapland woodlands. So we're just gonna enjoy the ride.
Let's go.
Where's Santa? We're about to see Santa.
Let's go. Hi Santa, can we do a hug?
Yes,
Nice to meet you.
nice to meet you. Let's do it so that we look
Okay.
Cute, wonderful.
We're travel vloggers and you've been everywhere. So what is the destination we have to add to our bucket list? Because you've seen it all.
You've seen it all.
Ah, boy, I think all places, they have different characteristics.
Yeah.
So I can't say what is the best. It depends the situation and that kind of thing. I love the globe. I can tell you.
That was
The
a
whole
great
globe.
political answer.
It's because Allie and I have been such good boys and girls this year. We're wondering, can we have 100,000 subscribers to our YouTube channel?
It depends, of course, in your channel, what are the things what you are showing there and what are the interest for the people. I can't promise because it's much more depends how you do that and what you show if the people start to love it.
Okay,
Thank you very much,
thank you,
Santa.
Santa.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. It's crazy there's nobody here. Oh my gosh, that was amazing! I cannot believe we got to meet the real Santa.
And Santa should definitely run for president.
Yeah.
Because he'd make a great politician with those answers.
Yeah.
But I truly cannot envision a better Christmas destination. Definitely add Rovaniemi, Finland to your bucket list.
Yes.
Because this is just Santa Claus Village. There is so much to do, even within a 10 to 20 minute ride from this location.
So many activities.
Yeah, like husky riding, ice fishing, northern lights hunting.
Snowmobile, sauna, sampling Finnish food.
So much to do,
Yeah.
so many more Christmas adventures here. And this is just the first of a few adventures we have here in the Lapland area. We'll be linking all of those adventures in the description section of this video, so be sure to check those out and consider subscribing for more unique destinations around the world. But truly, from the bottom of our hearts, we're wishing you and your family a very Merry Christmas. God bless you in your travels, and look forward to seeing you in the next one. And until then, bye! Oh.